Thutha wa ciĩko cia arutwo gucina mathukuru kuongerereka o gwakia, riu Minista wa githomo Prof George Magoha niaugite ngarama yothe ya guthondeka weru indo iria ciathukangirio igukuithio muciari na thirikari ndikuruta na ndururu.
If we catch those who are bold enough to touch a building, first of all, their parents will rebuild the building. The government will not pay a penny. Secondly, if we catch you, and as you have seen, first of all, that information is going to be on your record for the rest of your life.
Miario ya Magoha yukite oriria arugamiria mathukuru maugite ni mareka uthuthuria niguo kumenya ni arutwo ariku manyitite itemi hari gucina mathukuru niguo matacokerio makinya ma kiwatho na matuike kionereria kuri arutwo aria angi aria mari na meciria ta macio.
But some of these bannings are syndicated through people perhaps who want to benefit from it. So we will continue to encourage our people to take charge of their children, and that's one of the reasons why we are allowing them to go home, so they have a quality time with their parents who will tell them you banned, because all those schools that have been banned.
Magoha ni orotete aciari kuuga nio makoretwo magitunia ciana ciao na kumarera na ubaciriri ta wa matumbi, akiuga rutha rwa midterm ruragathikirwo niguo kuhoreria arutwo.
I continue to slightly castigate our parents who still continue to treat the children as eggs. This has been part of the problem. There is an improvement, but the child must be allowed to be ready to survive on his or her own in an environment like this.
Oro kiumia-ini giki arutwo 24 a kuma thukuru cia Kiaritha-ini na Kanjuri ni marakinyirio igoti-ini ria Karatina magikuirwo guthugunda gucina thukuru. Ngiribotera Kameme TV ni njitagwo Wangui wa Mwiruri.